yang seru di Bandung. Sebelum mulai, pastiin kamu udah pakai safety kit ya. Hai guys, ini adalah gravity kart pertama di Bandung yang panjang treknya 1,3 km. Yes, aku akan menggelinding tanpa mesin hanya mengandalkan gaya gravitasi dan rem. Sumpah ini seru banget. Ngegelinding yuk di Gelinding Gravity Kart.
He's got a slipstream. He almost touches Verstappen. They almost make contact into turn 9. Verstappen stays ahead of Lewis Hamilton. Of all the drama, of all the controversy, of all the magic moments in Formula 1 in 2021, it comes down to this. And at this moment, it looks like it's going to go the way of Max Verstappen. Mercedes not happy. Red Bull will be delighted. They have shared a brilliant championship battle, but the championship can only be won by one, and it's going Dutch in 2021. Max Verstappen, for the first time ever